Imagine yourself as a business owner trying to make sense of your weekly sales data. You've got the numbers scattered all over, and it's becoming a real challenge to grasp which day brings in the most revenue. What you need is a clear, eye-catching solution to showcase your sales data and make informed decisions. That's where the 3D pie chart in Excel comes in handy. Hey there Excel enthusiasts, welcome to Exceldemy, your go-to destination for mastering Excel and conquering Excel VBA related challenges. I'm Eshrak Kader, and in today's video, I'll be showing you a detailed guide on how to create a 3D pie chart in Excel. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. Alright. First things first. Let's get an overview of our sales dataset. Here we have the days of the week in column B and their corresponding sales figure in column C. Using this data, I'll create a 3D pie chart in Excel. In step 1, I'll select from B4 to C11 range. Then I'll click on the Insert tab. In the Chart section, I'll click on Insert Pie or Donut Chart drop-down. Here, I'll choose 3D Pie Chart option. Voila! You will have a beautiful 3D pie chart right before your eyes. Following this, we can personalize our chart by adding a custom title. I'll click on Chart Title and type Sales by Day. Press Enter. Since we do not need the legend for this chart, so I'll click on Chart Elements button and uncheck the legend option. Now our chart looks more appealing. Lastly, let's make our chart truly informative by adding data labels. I'll select the chart and click on Chart Elements button. Here I'll check the Data Labels option. Now, right-click on any of the data label. In the contextual menu, choose Format Data Labels option. This opens up the Format Data Labels window on the right. Here I'll check the Category Name option to display the day of the week. Next, I'll select Outside End option to position the labels perfectly. And there you have it, your very own 3D pie chart in Excel. Now you can easily spot the highs and lows of your weekly sales, which will help you make informed decisions and drive your business forward. In this tutorial, I have shown you a step-by-step guide for creating a 3D pie chart in Excel. Hopefully, you can apply this knowledge to make your own 3D pie chart according to your requirement and convenience. You can download the workbook from the description box below, so you can practice it yourself. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, please let us know in the comments below, or you can glance at exceldemy.com. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching our video.